So the गोवा मायल्साचो इशू अजूनही रिजॉल्व जाला बिकॉज तुम्ही फाटल्या दिसांनी म्हटलेले की आय डोंट अंडरस्टँड when it is a transport department issue why it is with the tourism department रिजॉल्व जाला वो कितें एक्झॅक्टली बिकॉज अजूनही दादागिरी जोगडी कोणाक मारता वॉट एक्झॅक्ट
See, I have nothing new to say. I have said I am waiting for the entire thing to be transferred to the transport department. Everyone is well aware. I even spoken to Chief Secretary as well. Do this as early as possible. We don't want more problems. As the tourism season will pick up more and more, because we are almost out of the pandemic, and in that situation we need to get more tourists, more footfall, and for that you need I should say a very good transport service, and that includes the taxis. We should not have them have the bickerings among them in public, which affects the tourists, which affects the common traveler. So that has to be something of the past. So to streamline that, if the things are not streamlined as far as handling the thing is concerned, then definitely there will be problems.
हाऊ डू यू सी दिस रिएक्शन फ्रॉम द डेप्युटी चीफ बाबू म्हणटा की गोवा मायल्स आपणें हाडलेले आपणें स्टार्ट केलेले पूण फायनली तुका भोगचें पडटा
I have no comments on that. Ultimately, one should realize it is a collective responsibility. All have to work in one direction and get the problem resolved. We are here to solve the problems of the state, not to solve our own problems or highlight something which is not necessary and which will not help solve the problem.
रिजर्वेशनाचे इशूचे सीएमा कडेन उलयले एज फार एज चेंजीस or anything because some you along with other MLAs were not satisfied this reservation. You all were not taken into confidence.
See, that is something of the past now.
पण अजूनही जाऊ ना
I think
ते
we have moved forward. Matter is in the court, it is sub judice. Let the courts decide if they are deciding something.
Okay, last year the tourism transport department had come in support of this vehicle or this owners and everybody because of COVID and all. This time any plans so कितें आसतलो तेंचे हितून if something the situation goes like this.
See, every situation is dynamic. That time the dynamics demanded that we come to their rescue, and we came to their rescue. In fact, if I want to recollect the situation when we had given rebate of 50% of payment of
Correct.
tax, and that helped the sale double or more than double, and that helped the industry to sustain. And I well remember, because I am a member of the GST Council, other states were to follow suit, because I have a lot of friends being in the GST Council, but at that time suddenly the pandemic happened, and because of the pandemic their plans to give the same thing as well, the same relief to the industry fell flat. And it was also discussed by me even in the GST Council at that point of time, that I initiated so and so step.
Correct.
And result was that there was more sale of cars. I did not lose my revenue, and industry which badly needed some little helping hand, they got that helping hand. That is what happened at that point of time.
Even during BS4 transition time.
Yeah.
What do you have to say about that car policy government central government येयला पळय ती तेजेर गोंयान कितें इम्प्लिमेंट जातलो काय हाव इट
So we will implement it soon. You mean the new Motor Vehicle Act?
Yeah.
We will be implementing that. It's only a matter of time before we implement.
Scrap
We are see. Ultimately, remember, Goa is Goa, and because Goa is Goa, in such a small place, you are shooting so many questions. You want to be microscopic on everything. Small questions, small things. Then it becomes something for cause for either action or inaction. So we have to I ultimately solve that. And
No,
we'll
but
be doing it.
in one way also people buy vehicles, but the petrol prices are going higher and higher. It's not coming down.
See, internationally when crude prices are rising, and when you have seen the economy is just picking up. One of the clear indicator in the economy which I have seen is the collection of indirect taxes, that is the GST collection. On that is the indicator of whether an economy is recovering, is doing well, or whether it will do well in the future. If you look at the figures that are now emerging, that is, though it is one of the indicator of growth, all indicators of growth point out to a good situation for the economy. There will be growth in the next quarter, more than expected. Economy is already kick-started, and kick-started quite strongly. And when the economy will grow strongly, obviously you will not have the need to hike petrol or diesel to that extent. We are waiting for that situation. When we have that happy situation, it is not the intention of any government for that matter, and nevertheless, not our government at least, to tax the people more in terms of high petrol or diesel prices.
So wait for the
We are
situation.
waiting the
So
economy
wait
to
for the
improve.
situation,
Moment
prices will come
economy
down.
improves, then we will review the whole thing. It's bound to happen. सायलेन्सर जे मॉडिफाय करून घालता आनी जे आवाज करता तेजेर हांव स्ट्रिक्ट कारवाय कर म्हूण हांव म्हाजें इंस्ट्रक्शन ऑलरेडी दिल्लें आसा. यू वील सी इट हॅपनिंग. सुप्रीम कोर्टाची ऑर्डर आसा पूण लोक ओबे करना न्ही.
Tinted glasses.
Tinted glasses also I will initiate action.
सो पण टिंटेड ग्लासेस MLAs घेऊन भोंवता गाडयो.
आमी कितले एक्शन घेतले. Citizens also should think of following the law. No? Now they are opposing even that new motor vehicle act. You have seen what was the reaction, particularly in the social media. One day they want everything to be ideal. They want everything to be nice, but they don't want to follow the law. If you don't break the law, why you have to pay the high fines? You tell me. You stop at a signal, you will not be fined. You want to cross the red light and then not to be fined or fined more. How things will work like this?